yes Freda Afriyie once I come in message ya ema wo bu amfuate bompa ye bisa nyame Mrs. Subium bohompa ye na bisa urade wo be hu say yes asama me ka no enya me pe ana me no e de ekasa Freda me ka asem bi a kyerɛw wonu wo bi a kyade onipa ne ye Kristo Freda ene nipa ne sanche wasisiw Mrs. Subium wonu wo bi a kyade wo ye asafo urade a ka ho ene nipa ne sankwache wasisiw Freda eniama bebre na urade yafa wo ho akyerɛ me say me kyerɛ mo awo social media ana me mfra wo so anka kyerɛ na me di ya futuo e de akyerɛ wo so wo betie dia me kan ya wo be hu say yes asema me kan no efiri me pam ana me de ka Freda me se so biem wo ne wo bi kyade na se nipa ne yi Kristo ane ne nche hwaka ne ana wo ba TikTok ha se de na wo si kyerɛ nipa ne duwachi etie asafo urade asem etie Kristo asem aduma na kuta obi da dumfo obi da mountains me se wo pabi na so no wonyan wo ye fast pass wonya bi wo bi nim kasa chao wo bi nim preach chao anso wo preach de to obi anhwe o anso wo bo wakora na ni pampempem ena etie wo busa ho se edi entira Freda me ka asem bi a kyerɛw pamame Akosua Serwaa wate Mrs. Subium pamame Akosua Serwaa chaw na atene na wudi no aduru nyame anim ansam bi ho apiapia mu adura for urade anim ewiase wei yakurakura mu ko yamfa nko ba bia sa wonya wiase agapade na Freda wo hwere wo kra emfaso be na abenya emfaso bai ana abenya asase we so oni pa ya medicha wo begwu akọ na wo maso mi bisa wo dua mako ana wo dua bofre wo dua nka ana dia ma wo ma Freda se me kana betia shase bompa ya anka achi edru ba bia David timi hwi ase na David asuagu nyame so na urade asa pagya no Freda me ka asem bi a kyerɛw me se pamame ne chawate na maame na tenie no nsem bi piapia mu a enya no korɛ na aduru nyame anim Freda eniama me ho afa ho no me se shase bompa ya pa ne bisa nyame de se dia me ka me boa asema me ka se me boa ewiase nipa ya me di cho ena obibia wutie me sa wo ya de bia hwani ye se ni nyame asem bo abura hwani ye na wiase anka ni pansam dankuru po ewiase ni asase beka akira se mentimi no ntina biem kwana kwasha asase ase wodi wunwuma ana ekọ edisam tira duanu mienu chichamu du mienu ase hye mede bantamo na mekuta akachia ede brawo se de wunwuma esitie
for so me share masamohana hold on,
Mr. Alex, hold on with lawyer Kusi, but you knew wasem. Microphone train me mo wie pacho.
Okay.
Pacho. Also Pacho, your final words to Mr. Alex, why?
Mr. Alex. Maybe me kakra me catcher and say me dinu ya when the lashes were coming up. Okay? It's like he wasn't giving no chance to speak. And then let me say, Mano, he first, like I said, he was neutral, and then he was going by the judges, verdict and all that. Then all of a sudden, things are changed, and then I was like, no, I don't mean personal platforms are quite you can't have your opinion to say anything. So I was like, let me stay back. Me call na makoreno. Then you could hear everybody. I say, now me you change you call one side. So I say, you know what? Me, I don't have enough proof, so I can't go and be on one side. I just want to make sure send me more evidence before I can be on one side. So if that is the case, there, I mean, Ninja no on na they are all be coming up there. But then at one point, Mr. Alex Castle or can be na say or Pesoche be one then on my interject it. Then they want to say this, they want to bring this or evidence. I mean, there were some videos that he was putting out there. There was some maybe confirming say yeah man discuss on can say and now maybe you see and everything that or Mr. Alex discussing was not that mamina some crap, but then that was what he brought in. And I'm meeting so I was like, okay, when Mr. Alex get down, that was all me trying to cry, me take a cry and sana. But that's that time not there no more Mr. Alex, no more Bronii. No more Bronii, but Mr. Alex, Mr. Sa platform meaning so we need na shots here. You guys were having a good discussion before. I'm out to me throw as a witness.
Yes.
But baby, I didn't know. I see say they don't need you there no more. What I say? They've made up their mind and they don't need you there no more. So me, I'll tell you some sorrow. Don't go there no more. Say I can't cry my want. Don't go there no more. Let it be. Deal with right is okay. I mean, all this say, oh yeah, my contact. It doesn't make sure say o de nyama tutu yi enya sadia obekwa ma ekugu in masia na meso na me ho be papa me akunta so de me pesa.
Osoko won't say when I'm a friend with someone I wouldn't cut ties with you unless
I agree. Minim so ni adamfo. I know that. There were sometimes unino I can utuma evidence bi no then he lies on the evidence and then start discussing it. So I'm kind of surprised he was telling you you don't have no evidence, you don't have this, only based on his investigations and all that. You see, no now so about the Kayan investigations. I find out maybe Brie. One day, ni na ba out.
Also, share. That Lumba Samba, you know, no platform, and I listed that Lumba song from first. Ever see you say something? I any proof. It is a what is a can't say we will what they make Kohen Fakrana, we will show you videos, pictures, and evidence for one cassette to know say they are same way.
Yeah.
I've been on certain platforms, sir. Already evidence about mountain proofs about mountain say I deal when you I deal when you can I deal when they will say hey. Oh, this is how we are following channel by channel. Oh, but you see, once I maybe me baha and I'm the say. Moment subtract AGB fi AGB mu. Ni ehwe. Se ahini ebenya. Na sasem we etumi di sasem ne chi a bibia no be den ebebu ebetwa.
Me kai pa. Me kai. Yeah.
Akasem yeken. Akasem ko obi nkofro bi donko, ana obi nkofro bi adwaman, ana obi nkofro bi sisi. Ka obi ehun so ke ye nyina ya bo adwaman ye nyina ya ne pepepe. Njade nti na o se ba kusu. So,
but also could idea with you. Sa first born asem no e she fridge mu kra yenyan koso. The name Shindela no kra yenyan koso hwe achire. Time be na ware ne koso. Time be na aware ne eba wiye. And a time be na that lumba so ye ne ordinance marriage. Na se wunya sa anyoma mimadi mani
that's exactly what I'm talking about.
Who say asem no be osere. Enti make us say they don't know what we know. Her name is Ghana be de bruta.
That's the country. It's Alex. Be advised, what? Thank you so much, Osoko. Thank you. Abba, unknown name, Pacho, please kindly come in. Unknown name, Pacho.
Yeah, Brales, yeah, Becca, no, via a catcher, no. And right now, my sister, I can't share me say, Papa be now or more platform or right here, or no, yeah, there was that crop where you are. I say, I heard your own call, or see, or Koshe Juma, you did dinner honomo. Me, a hot year, me, Kohokra, because me, Koshia, me say, one girl be a say, I bet I was a day. Na brales juma ya mudi di sa baba wa no ho no ho da no ho ase ya mini wo na wa beto ye num everybody or mo wi no rough And Rami sister catch him and I see unless the way they go ahead there.
Oh,
We
Alberta
yes,
platform no.
yeah, respect
Oh no, Alberta Akosua platform no so.
yeah.
Oh wow.
Juma wa mudidi no ho try say obe explain letter no mo nsem no akire wo mo na bra me say wanya no kra mfa ka asem ba ko a wo mbeti ase o mo wi no rough no me kura me dwane ko because I fe na me ferry because words na free